5 most beautiful Linux distributions. Linux isn't just about performance or functionality. It can also be stunningly beautiful. After exploring countless distributions, catering to pros, beginners, aging PCs, and even Windows lovers, these 5 stand out as the most visually striking Linux options. Let's dive in. Number 1. Elementary OS. Elementary OS has long been a personal favorite. What sets it apart is its cohesive design. It feels like every detail has been curated to perfection. Using Elementary OS is like wearing the perfect outfit, where every accessory matches seamlessly. The user experience is unified, ensuring every app and interface reminds you that you're on Elementary OS. With its macOS-inspired design featuring a sleek dock and top bar, Elementary OS is both elegant and intuitive. While it may not offer the deep customization of other distributions, the default layout is so well designed that it rarely needs adjusting. This simplicity also makes it a fantastic choice for newcomers to Linux. And since it's based on Ubuntu, it inherits Ubuntu's stability and ease of software installation. Number 2. Zorin OS. Zorin OS is a distribution that takes aesthetics seriously, and it shows. This is a system designed to impress, offering flexibility and visual flair in equal measure. Upon installation, you can choose between multiple desktop layouts, mimicking Windows 11, GNOME, Plasma, or XFCE. If you opt for the Pro edition, even more layouts become available, offering unparalleled customization. Zorin OS strikes a perfect balance with its subtle use of transparency and includes features like Jelly Mode, which brings a playful wobbly effect to Windows. The Zorin Appearance app allows users to easily switch layouts, making it ideal for anyone transitioning from another operating system. Whether you're a Windows fan or a GNOME enthusiast, Zorin OS ensures you feel right at home. Number 3. Ubuntu Budgie. Ubuntu Budgie holds a special place in my heart. It's one of the few distributions that managed to replace Pop! OS on my desktop, even if only temporarily. With its sleek design, Ubuntu Budgie is not just beautiful but incredibly user-friendly, offering a distinct personality that sets it apart from GNOME or Plasma. Its layout, reminiscent of MacOS, is elevated with creative touches that Apple itself could learn from. The transparent top bar, for instance, blends elegantly into the background while maintaining its functional clarity. Ubuntu Budgie is an excellent introduction to Linux and a masterful blend of various desktop design philosophies. Number 4. Garuda Linux, Dragonized Edition. Garuda Linux's Dragonized Edition is the ultimate in desktop coolness. If Garuda were a person, it'd be the charismatic rebel who also happens to be the class president. With its dark themes and neon accents, Garuda exudes a vibe that's both edgy and captivating. Built on a highly customized Plasma desktop, Garuda's look and feel are unmatched. It doesn't just stand out, it commands attention. This is a distribution that makes even skeptics take notice. If you want your desktop to make a bold statement, Garuda Linux delivers. Number 5. KDE Neon. KDE Neon is the epitome of sophistication with a dash of playfulness. Its design is simple yet elegant, and every detail feels refined. Each time I boot up a KDE Neon desktop, it's a delight. It embodies a polished, timeless aesthetic. Even with its familiar KDE interface, the developers have infused a fresh and vibrant feel into the experience. The included wallpapers are particularly striking, adding a touch of magic to an already stellar design. KDE Neon is the definition of beauty in simplicity. Whether you're seeking elegance, boldness, or playful charm, these 5 Linux distributions prove that beauty and functionality can coexist. Give them a try, and you might just find your new favorite desktop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily content.